Hello everyone, and welcome to this comprehensive step-by-step tutorial on Wegic, an incredible AI-powered web designer and developer. Today we are going to look at how you can build a stunning, fully functional website from scratch, just by having a simple conversation. If you are interested in trying this out yourself, please see the link in the description below to get access to this tool. Take a look at the screen right now. What you are seeing is the Wegic landing page, and it perfectly sets the tone for how simple this platform is. Right in the center, below that bold promise to build a website that grows your business, you see a simple text box. There are no complicated menus or coding environments to download. You can literally start typing your vision, whether it's an online education platform, an e-commerce page, or a local business site right here on the homepage. So who is Wegic made for? It is designed for entrepreneurs, small business owners, freelancers, and anyone who wants a professional online presence without spending thousands of dollars or learning how to code. It acts as your personal web developer and designer. In the following scenes, we will log in, explore the internal dashboard, and walk through the entire process of bringing a website to life. Once you log in and click Build Your Site, you are immediately greeted by this incredibly clean, distraction-free interface. Right in the center of your screen, you'll meet Kimmy, Wegic's dedicated AI assistant. Notice how calming this workspace is. There are no cluttered sidebars, complex settings, or overwhelming toolbars. Just you, Kimmy, and a central text box. Before we start typing, let's talk about the secret to getting incredible results with AI. The quality of your final website depends entirely on the clarity and detail of your initial instructions. A common mistake beginners make is being too brief. If you just type "make a bakery website," the AI will do its best, but it will have to guess your style. Instead, treat Kimmy like a junior designer sitting right next to you. You want to give her context, target audience, and aesthetic direction. Watch as I click into the text box and type a highly detailed prompt. I need a modern, minimalist website for a cozy local bakery. The target audience is local families and college students. I want a warm, inviting color palette featuring soft browns, creams, and a touch of terracotta. The site needs a hero section with a catchy slogan, a menu grid showcasing our best items, a gallery of our daily pastries, and a friendly contact page. As I hit enter, watch the magic unfold on the screen. The AI instantly begins processing the request. You can see it generating the structural wireframes, selecting appropriate, legible fonts, and building layout modules in real time. It is even writing persuasive placeholder text that fits the cozy vibe of a bakery perfectly. This is why Wegic is so powerful. Traditional builders force you into rigid, pre-made templates that thousands of other businesses are already using. Wegic understands the unique intent behind your words and generates a bespoke, one-of-a-kind layout from scratch. Once Kimmy processes our highly detailed prompt from the previous step, she doesn't just blindly guess what your final website should look like and force you into a random design. In traditional web development, you might wait 2 weeks just to see a single wireframe from a designer. But here, Wegic instantly enters a collaborative design phase. Take a look at the screen right now. We are presented with the Choose a Website Visual Direction interface. This step is incredibly important and perfectly mimics the experience of working with a high-end branding agency. You are essentially being presented with a digital mood board based entirely on the psychology of your prompt. Let's break down exactly what we are looking at. On the left side of the screen, Kimmy has analyzed our request for a cozy bakery and generated 3 distinct aesthetic concepts for us to choose from. Notice the attention to detail here. First, we have option 1, Swiss editorial warmth. As Kimmy explains, this focuses on minimalist elegance with soft typography and generous white space. In web design, whitespace is a luxury element. By keeping the background clean, it lets your products, in this case our pastries, be the absolute star of the show. Next is option 2, Cozy Modern Elegance. This option utilizes warm terracotta and cream tones with dark accents. Why did the AI choose this? Because in our prompt, we specifically asked to target local families and students. Warm earth tones naturally evoke a feeling of comfort, intimacy, and approachability, making it the perfect family-friendly vibe. Finally, we have option 3, Artisan Minimalism. This is a gallery-style showcase with bold typography aimed at creating an Instagram-worthy, professional artisan feel. This is a bit more refined and high-end, perfect if you are selling premium or organic goods. As you look to the center and right of the screen, you don't just have to imagine what these descriptions mean. You get beautiful, high-fidelity visual previews of what the hero section for each of these styles will actually look like. Notice how each option interprets our prompt slightly differently. The fonts, the image treatments, and the button placements shift to give you a true variety of professional choices. Here is a crucial pro design tip for this stage. Always choose the visual direction that best aligns with the emotional reaction you want your target audience to have. When someone visits a bakery website, they want to feel warm and hungry. Because we are targeting families, that Cozy Modern Elegance preview right in the middle feels incredibly warm, inviting, and on brand for us. To lock in your choice, you simply click the purple Choose This Style button. However, I want you to look all the way down at the bottom of the screen first. Wegic gives you complete creative freedom. If none of these 3 concepts hit the mark for you, you are not stuck. There is a section at the bottom that asks, "No direction fits?" You can simply click the Try Another Set button. Tell Kimmy exactly what feels off. Maybe it's too dark or too playful, and she will generate a completely new set of concepts based on your direct feedback. It is truly zero-risk experimentation. For our bakery project today, we are going to hover over and click on Cozy Modern Elegance. The moment we click this, Kimmy takes that exact visual direction and instantly begins generating our full, multi-section website draft. Once Kimmy processes our prompt, she presents us with a few visual directions. But before we pick a style, I want to point out a very common scenario when working with advanced AI. Take a look at the chat log on the left side of the screen. Because we asked for a bakery website with a menu, Kimmy went ahead and assumed we wanted a fully integrated live ordering and reservation system. As you can see, she is offering to build a highly complex designer-level site with e-commerce features for a small fee. Here is a massive pro tip for you. Always manage your AI's scope. If you are just starting out, or you only need a simple informational website to display your business, you do not need complex ordering systems right away. We want to keep this project lean and simple. Instead of paying for features we don't need, we are simply going to correct Kimmy right here in the chat box on the left. Watch as I type. I do not need live ordering or reservation capabilities. Please remove the e-commerce features and make this a completely free, static informational site where the menu is just for display. As I hit enter, Kimmy will immediately adjust her plan, remove the premium features, and let us proceed with a standard, clean website structure. This conversational control is exactly why Wegic is so user-friendly. You are never locked into a path. You can just talk your way out of it. Now that we have clarified that, let's look at the 3 visual concepts she generated for us. Now, while the progress bar at the top left is moving and Kimmy is assembling our site behind the scenes, let's read through the exact blueprint she just laid out for us. This is what you should expect to see whenever you run a standard free generation. First, she promises a clean, professional layout with a hero section. As we discussed earlier, a hero section is your digital handshake. It's the very first thing your visitors see to understand what you do. Second, we are getting a menu grid with items and pricing. Because we corrected her in the previous step, she explicitly highlights here that this menu grid will be for display only. This is exactly what we wanted, a beautiful showcase of products without back-end complexity. Next, we have a dedicated photo gallery for our product showcase, followed by a fully integrated contact page featuring location, hours, and an interactive map. But look at the last two check marks, because these are massive selling points for choosing Wegic over traditional software. She guarantees the site will be fully responsive across mobile, tablet, and desktop environments right out of the box. And crucially, it is easy to edit. She reminds us that we can update menus, photos, and text anytime directly through the upcoming dashboard. Notice the transparency here as well. Kimmy explicitly states, no additional costs, no hidden fees. This is exactly why we prefer this tool. It tells you exactly what you are getting. As she finishes up the final 4-step generation process, she lets us know that she'll have the link ready for us shortly. In our next scene, the generation will be complete, and we will finally jump into the live visual editor to see how to fine-tune our new layout. Now that we have reviewed our options, it is time to lock in our choice. For this project, option 2, Cozy Heritage, perfectly captures that warm, family-friendly vibe we are aiming for. Watch as I click the purple Choose This Style button. Now take a look at the chat on the left. Wegic is incredibly generous, with its free credits for drafting, wireframing, and generating initial designs. However, as of their latest update, to fully process and publish your very first complete multi-page website, they require a one-time activation fee of $2.99. This is actually a very smart model. Instead of forcing you into an expensive $20 a month subscription before you even know if you like the tool, Wegic lets you build the entire framework for free. You only pay that small $3 fee when you are completely satisfied with the design and ready to push the site into the live editor. Since we are just doing a free tutorial today to show you the ropes, I am not going to activate this specific bakery site. But I want to show you exactly what happens after you activate a site. So let's jump back out to the main dashboard and look at a fully activated project I built earlier, so you can see the editing tools in action. Now that we are back out here in our main dashboard, you can see how clean and organized Wegic keeps your creative workspace. Any site you design sits right here as a project card, allowing you to manage or jump back into your drafts at any time. Because this is a free tutorial, I'm not going to activate this specific bakery site today. But I want to explain exactly what happens once you do pay that small $2.99 activation fee and open your live project. When you enter the workspace editor, you'll find that you don't need to write a single line of code to fine-tune your pages. Wegic uses an incredible contextual tool called Circle Mode. All you have to do is move your mouse over the live page and click directly on the specific element you want to change, whether it's a headline, a gallery, or an image block. Once you select a section, a box highlights it, and you can instantly chat with the AI to modify just that isolated area. You can tell it, make this header font slightly bolder, or add a bit more spacing around this image. Inside that same editor, you can also instantly toggle between desktop and mobile previews to ensure your site is completely responsive for smartphone users. The platform even handles your basic SEO, generating titles and descriptions based on the prompts we typed earlier. Finally, whenever you are perfectly happy with the design, you simply click, publish, and Wegic instantly pushes your site live to a secure custom domain. And that is the complete journey. From a simple conversation on the landing page to a fully structured design inside your dashboard workspace, Wegic completely redefines how quickly you can bring an online presence to life. If you want to start drafting your own business concepts and exploring these layouts for free, make sure to click the official link in the description below to get your credits. Thank you so much for watching. If this guide helped you navigate the tool, hit that like button, subscribe for more practical AI walkthroughs, and I will see you in the very next video. If you want to see an example of someone using the editor interface to change text and images, check out this Wegic AI website builder walkthrough. It shows how simple the click-to-edit process is once a site is fully generated.